What's the relationship, if any, between posture and thought and behavior? I've heard that they're all connected, and if you change one, you're going to change the other two automatically.
Well, we'll give you something else, because all of that is related, but none of it matters as much as this. And this is related to all of that. What really makes a difference is breathing. In other words, whether you sit and deliberately breathe, or whether you get out and take a walk and your body just demands that you breathe, air moving through you is the most significant catalyst it is the most significant thing that you could physically do that enhances the desire to get in the vortex. So, and posture affects that also.
I'm excited because now you've gotten me off my map here.
Took a while, but
I've seen holotropic breath work, which is basically just fast, deep breathing. And not only have I seen it, I've experienced it myself, and it induces
labor.
I'm not doing it right now. It induces this not exactly a trance, but your hands go into this tetany, and you often start what seems to be bringing up repressed emotions.
Well, part of what's happening that's why we encourage natural movement which asks you to breathe rather than sitting and breathing on purpose, because there is it's not exactly this, but a sort of hyperventilating where you're bringing more into your body than your body knows what to do with. Mm-hmm. That's part of it. Mm-hmm. Athletes talk about getting into the zone, breaking through into that new place. Once they start running, then finding their second wind, so to speak. And so there are many things that you can do with your breathing that bring you into higher and higher and resistance that is far from where you're asking. Because when you ask for more than you're up to speed with, you get out of balance. And this, a bit, for many people, falls in that category. Mm-hmm. It's like asking for more than you're ready for, and so then there's another alignment, and then you say, so it brings up negative stuff, and we say, it's not bringing up negative stuff, it's just giving you the sign that you're vibrationally out of whack. And you did it by hyperventilating.
Some people actually go into laughing fits, which is almost as disconcerting as the ones who start crying. But it definitely brings up emotions that later on, when talking with people, it feels like they had to repress these emotions.
Well, it's just a symptom of overzealous technique.